Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel RK Data Labs, and today we are extremely happy to introduce one new topic we are going to see in our upcoming days, and that is so called as artificial intelligence, the much awaited topic. We are going to explore a couple of things here in artificial intelligence. We are going to put a lot of videos, and we want to really understand how it is actually working and what is its insights about it, why we are actually using artificial intelligence in our day-to-day life, and couple of more stuffs we are going to hit our videos. Okay, with that said, what we are going to see, what is AI, why do we need AI in our daily life, types of artificial intelligence in IT industry, difference between data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence, the most important question each and everybody has in it. That's very important. And we are also see couple of top ranked real-time AI use cases in our daily life with examples, and top free ready to use AI tools where we will be able to see a live demo will be given at the end of each session going forward, and at the end we are going to perform a live coding based AI based programming. So we are going to write some code, and also we are going to do some kind of artificial intelligence programming with respect to couple of good open source softwares. Okay, so with that said, let's move on to the next slide. So now we are going to see there is one more thing called what is artificial intelligence. Okay, as you people might have already googled it, like what is artificial intelligence. It's pretty simple. It is the development of computer systems or making the computer systems to train as like human intelligence. So mainly it needs to do some kind of decision making, or it may need to solve complex problems, or even at sometimes it may need to compute like high level computations. So artificial intelligence is somewhere we can call that as making the systems or computer systems to act like a human intelligence more. That is what we call them or refer them as artificial intelligence. So these are some of the aspects that every artificial intelligence systems will take care of, like either it may be a decision making or solve complex problems or perform high level computations or whatever. Okay, so with that, let's move on to how many types of artificial intelligence we are actually having and seeing in the industry. Okay, so there are three actually: artificial narrow intelligence, general intelligence, artificial super intelligence. So going from left to right, artificial narrow intelligence is nothing but we will adopt one subset of AI, that is nothing but machine learning, that everybody would have already might have seen it. So maybe like in your smartphones, Amazon has the capability have a Alexa, so that recognize the voice and converts into a text and gives you a good respect to suggestions. So those are something like where machine learning is absolutely important, is making use of. It is nothing but it has some predefined set of functions to use, and whenever any prompt request has been given, it does a response based on some functions which has already been programmed, and then gives you a result. That is artificial narrow intelligence. Second, artificial general intelligence, that is nothing but it actually refers to a computer, so which is as equivalent to human. It just it tries to be as smart as the humans across. So it is as like humans, it may be able to play as like human intelligence. So it is a second edition, so it is very important. So it can even dominate the human brain as well. So then coming back to third type, artificial super intelligence, it is something we call them as machine consciousness. So it acts more than our human brains, which means it acts more smarter than our human brains, which is practically saying like a couple of technology enthusiasts are actually giving more and more warning to the world that this artificial super intelligence will outplay our human brains, and that can even take off anything that actually it can do. So we should be very cautious about this third type. Artificial super intelligence is going to dominate the current IT industry in the next couple of years. Okay, so with that said, let's move on to see some kind of real-time applications or real-time industry related applications that we are going to see. First, as we all know, chatbots. It's a computer program that actually uses an AI technology, and in addition to that an NLP system which is called as natural language processing. it just simply understands what is the customer question and then simply gives you a automated response. So this is, it comes under artificial narrow intelligence. So it takes some input and then it produces an output. So it just simply do what it is intended to do first. Second, and then content creation and curation. As we all know that, ChatGPT is more and more buzzword, creating a big applause to the industry lovers that content creation and curation is very important. If you want to write a blog or if you want to write an article, go to this ChatGPT and then simply gets you the answers fantastically, right? Then generating automated captions and subtitles. So whenever a tool, like AI tool, it generates an automated captions and subtitles that is more specific to your images or videos, maybe like your Google photos, let's say that example, it collects the wide range of variety of photos based on the mood and then it just gives you a subtitle accordingly. So that is also one more important aspect of artificial intelligence adopting. And then moderation. AI tools which actually monitors and moderate content by using some kind of flagging. We all know that when sometimes there is something going beyond out of control, we need to actually make some kind of wise decision. So likewise, we need to have some flag to indicate whether it is needed or not needed based on the comments. Let's say Twitter is actually using NLP to eradicate the comments given by the tweets which is given to ensure that it is properly used across all the people. Okay, so this is one best example of using this AI. And then many more, advertisers are using, for their personalized marketing, they are still able to use this AI technique for their, all their business intelligence process. So targeted advertising is one important marketing that nowadays artificial intelligence is playing here. So if you see at the right side, there are a couple of more industry related examples like Alexa, as we know, and then there is something called Google Image. It just searches your image, whatever you usually give for searching your image based on some of the results which is being captured in the history, okay, within a fraction of seconds. That's more important. Third, Samsung. So they are something, in terms of manufacturing sector, they usually used to predict some kind of results based on the customer's behavior, and like lot more to go. And then IoT. So there is a buzz called, there are a lot more industries. It's not like only particularly this industry is being used AI. It's nowhere. Almost all of the industries are nowadays being using this AI in our day-to-day daily life. So even machine learning even predict the value of homes in your real estate market based on the current demand that the user is predicting to. So likewise, we are now going to see couple of real-time examples as I have shown to you in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned. If you really like this video, please do like and share, and please subscribe to the channel. We will be covering all the rest of the topics in my next videos. Please stay tuned, guys. Thank you.